Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So this video here, I would like to share 8 glove counters in KRSC that currently seems like having a reversal. Okay, with the hour chart seems like doing another pullback. Okay, so at the time when I do this video here, this is on 23rd April, okay, in the morning. So yesterday, okay, which is Thursday on 22nd of April, we do see there's a profit taking, okay, towards the closing, okay. So closing, the hour chart seems like a little bit weak for certain of these glove counters with uptrust to and some of the downbar high volume, okay. So let's check again using the daily chart first, then we're going to look into the hour chart, okay. So most of the time, if let's say there's a profit taking, okay, at the closing, we want to see there is immediate support coming back from the chart, okay, on the next day or next morning. So if you monitor certain chart come with uptrust, it's very important that the price, everything is still staying above, okay, of the closing price, okay. So this is to ensure that the smart money or the operator are still keen in the movement, okay. So first of all, I think the reversal part they explained in other video. You can check out the other videos. So like I said, the most important is that the closing opening price today, okay, have to be higher than the closing price of yesterday to ensure that there's immediate support again, even though there's a profit taking towards the last minute. Okay, so for third glove seems like so far it's still healthy. Of course, if you ask me, the price is moving away from trend 40, so most of the time they might make some immediate pullback pretty soon, okay. So our chart doesn't see any further weakness, okay. Of course, this is a bar that show weakness, okay, red pentagons. So turns to green pentagon against on 22nd of April, okay, which is on Wednesday. So some slow movement, quiet movement before breaks up again. Okay, a small breaks up. So for those that who miss this entry over here, okay, you might want to check out again. Okay, on the next screen pentagon. Uh, don't For me is that most of the time don't really want to chase because sometimes they will make a pullback. Okay, so if you miss it, you might want to look for a low risk entry with the pullback setups again. Okay, using the red pentagon and the green pentagons. So next one would be Supermax. Supermax, I think the opening also pretty good today. Okay, closing up higher, opening up and now trading higher. Of course, now it's still in the morning. Okay, so hourly chart seems like I said, profit takings uh, down by high volume, okay, but subsequently they still supported pretty well, okay. So for those that our students who have study the masterclass, have to have go through a masterclass, remember to check out is there any next COC from the charts or not, okay, for you to look for an entry. So Hartalega also, even though it's down bar, but you can see at the moment, okay, the price is still above the closing from the yesterday, okay. Background with NS. Okay, volume today is a bit high. Okay, so I think they will make some pullbacks again. Okay, probably today is not going to make some movements. So here in the morning too, we do have some high volume down bars too. Okay, so need to check is there any good COCs coming in, or maybe is there any healthy uh, pullbacks, okay, but based on daily chart here, still fine, okay, doesn't show any further big weakness, okay. So Kossan also another one that goes up 10% yesterday, so today also pretty quiet, at least in the morning right now. So looking back into hourly chart, so this morning I think also come with some volumes, okay, trending a bit far from trend 40s. So similar things, there's no major weakness at the moment, okay. So but look for a right price, okay, if you still haven't entered the stocks, okay. Comfort, I believe we closed with uptrust, okay. So this is one of the big closing yesterday compared to the uh the four big glove over there, okay. So here uptrust, but opening so far is still quite okay, it doesn't really close lower at the moment. Okay, so again, using the hourly chart, we want to check further weakness. Okay, so here seems like volume still pretty high. Okay, well, usually volume high, it means that potentially they'll make a pullbacks again. Okay, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so at the moment, around like currently, when I do this video here, it's like 11:30. Okay, volume seems like drying up. Okay, so which is a good sign. But we need to see a few more bars to have further confirmation. Okay, Rubberex is the one that actually come a bit weak. Okay, and the price is trading lower than the yesterday opening. Okay, so let's see how it goes towards the closing today. Okay, but it's a big uptrust. Okay, unlike Toggle, Supermax, Hata, Kossan, and Comfort, even though it's uptrust, but it's not like a very big uptrust type. So probably this is a bit weaker compared to others. Okay, so trending a bit lower than the Pentagons. Okay, so most of the time, uh, if you ask me, I don't really like the price trend below the green pentagon. Okay, like for example, a good trend breaks up, it should be staying above, okay, on the green pentagons area. Like for example here, at least it stay holding above, okay. So this is like closing below already, okay, a bit few bars from here. Okay, so what I do is that usually in this kind of case, okay, if I still keen interested, I will pump my alert somewhere around here. Okay, so once it goes back, it will hit me, okay, and I will check again the volume. Let's say everything is good, then this is a potential entry we are looking into again. Okay, now Flexi Dynamic is new IPO. Okay, so just to do a quick check using daily chart because there's no the indicator is not there yet. Okay, two up thrust but closing above at the moment is still trading above. So using the hourly charts, green pentagon turns again yesterday morning. Okay, today we got some UT. Okay, but seems like no further weakness at the moment. Okay, no confirmation on the UT yet. Okay, so again, for those that who missed the trades, look for COC. Okay, so last one before we close for this video here, HLT Global is worth to pay some attention to. Again, profit taking towards the last minute of yesterday, but today supported well at the moment. Look into the hourly charts. This is a bar that yesterday got some profit takings going on. Okay, so far prices support well on the previous resistance. Okay, again, look for more sign of strength, okay, in this area. Okay, test spring NS will be good, okay, to look for it. Okay, but let's say it pull back lower, red pentagons. Okay, wait for the next green pentagon to enter, okay, for opportunity. Okay, so let's see how it goes towards the closing. If let's say there is any changes in the chart for these 8 glove counters, I will definitely make a quick update to you also. Thank you.